Objective and use case. What you'll build: a basic Raspberry Pi GPIO project that blinks one LED from Python using GPIO 17, a 2-diode 330 ohm resistor, and a simple breadboard circuit. You will wire the LED safely for 3.3 volts logic and verify control through visible on divided by off state changes with sub-10 ms GPIO response. Why it matters divided by use cases. Learn the core GPIO workflow, identify pins, wire and output, and control hardware from a Python script. Validate that a Raspberry Pi board, GPIO header, and OS setup are working before moving to buttons, sensors, or relays. Use LED blinking as a low-risk status indicator for boot state, script activity, alarms, or simple automation feedback. Practice safe electronics basics such as using 3.3 volts GPIO only and adding a current limiting resistor to protect the LED and board. Audience: Raspberry Pi beginners, students, and makers starting with physical computing. Level: Basic.
Would you like to really get electronics, computer science, and AI without drowning in endless theory? At Prometeo.blog, you learn by actually building and coding. Every week, we publish concise micro-tutorials, technical comparisons, and product overviews to help you decide what to buy and how to use it. But the real gem is our practical cases. Very detailed guides that take you from the bill of materials all the way to final validation. You'll design and test circuits with analog components like resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, inductors, relays, and transformers, and with digital logic like AND, OR, NOT, NAND gates, etc. You'll build projects with FPGA, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ESP32 or Jetson, and even the UGV robot. Everything is step-by-step, exact commands, ready-to-run code, wiring guides, real electrical schematics, SPICE net lists with real simulation plots, troubleshooting guides, upgrades, and much more. All our posts are available in both Spanish and English. At the end of each article, you'll find a short quiz so you can quickly check what you've learned. You also get your own private Prometeo ChatGPT tutor, specialized in electronics, computer science, and AI, with precise knowledge of all the content on the blog. Point: if you really want to learn by doing, advancing one project at a time. Head over to Prometeo.blog and get started today.